Tatawid lang po siya. Doon naman po siya sa kabila. Aani ng soybean. Ayan. Tapos na po yung nasa likod. Doon. Tapos na po yan. Nakita niyo po yung parang brown. Yan yung natapos. Ngayon doon naman po sa kabila ng ano na yan, building. Yun. Yan. Go, go, go! Ayan naman kasunod yung grain cart. There. Pupunta po ako doon maya-maya at ako'y namimitas ng kale. Okay, ito yung grain cart. So, dito naman po siya. At ito po yung up the road. Doon pa sa kabila ang amin. So, ito naman po ang binabanatan niya. Ayun siya, oh. Ayun. Ayun. Ang layo niya. Yun. Ayan po ang road. So, tinatapos niya yung corner doon. Okay, guys. Pagbalik niya dito, sasakay ako. Nakaantabay lang po itong grain cart. Yun. Saan ba namin nilibing? Ah, doon. Yan po yung maple tree. Diyan po namin nilibing si Rosie, ang mother ni Jack. Okay. Ayun. Ayan, papunta siya dito. Okay. Layo, no? Ayan, puno na po siya. Tingnan niyo po sa taas. Yung soybeans. Na-unload ba? Hindi na. Wala ko magka-unload. Mag-unload. Yun guys, makukunan natin. Mag-unload. There you go. Dali, unload na. Jing. Unload. There you go. Oh, diba? Continue harvesting and unloading. Ayan na siya. He's coming. Close up natin. O, diva. Hindi po ako makapunta dun sa kabilang side kasi nandun yung alikabok. Doon papunta ang hangin. So, jung 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 jung. Nakikita niyo po ang alikabok. Ako po ay sasakay ulit. Daming insekto. Doritos here.
No, I had some barbecue chips that were laying in the lounge, so I grabbed them.
Drog.
I don't know why you would even eat them. Barbecue, yeah. If I bought them, you
salty,
would,
right?
well, no,
I
barbecue.
just tasted it.
You would,
I know barbecue is salty. Very salty. Yeah, the glare.
now, you can take the pickup
Yeah,
and you can drive across the field.
yeah.
Right over there, you can go over there and you can look at it. Right over there is the apple tree.
That one without the leaves?
No, the tree that way of it.
Okay. Can I see it now or not
Yeah,
yet?
you can see the tree. You can even see the red apples in it.
Oh,
You see them? You see the birch tree there?
yep.
It's
Oh,
that-
it's in there. Oh, okay.
just to the side of the
Oh, okay. Yeah.
birch. Right there's the apple. If you want to taste
Oh, this is the apple,
You want-
guys. From the tree.
it. You don't eat, I'll eat.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Looks like it is planted, guys. So this is wild.
Yeah, but it's almost like it's a
It's a good flavor.
Yeah, it is.
Guys, wild apple po ito. Good flavor. Yeah, if I don't have apple picker, how can I?
Because it's probably you're a little bit short, but there's
Yeah.
apples. I can reach them from the ground, but it's got apples all the way around it.
Yeah, it still has lots of apple. Well, yeah, I need the picker count. Yeah, I need to go home and get it. Yeah, it tastes good.
You don't gotta pick them right this minute. You can, but you don't have to.
So when I'm done there,
Well, yeah.
no, when I'm done there, then I will go straight here, right?
Okay. You do what you want.
Okay. Oh, I'm against the light. Yeah, but I need to go home and get the apple picker.
They're almost like a snow apple.
Oh.
That's what I would do. Of the flavor and the whiteness of them reminds me of it's a cross of a snow apple.
Oh, so there's also a snow apple.
Yeah.
You call. Hello mga ka-farmers, mga kabayan. Magandang gabi. 6:50 na. So naghatid po ako ng pagkain. At ayan, parating na siya. Papunta dito. South po yan. Ito ay west na kung saan ang araw ay sunset. Araw ay sunset. Sunset yan. So sa left ko is east. Yan, south po yan. So he's coming here. Ayan na. Marami ang salamin. Nandito pa po ako sa loob ng sasakyan. Ayan. Buksan natin ang pinto. Hindi ako nagsuot ng aking isang coat. Ayan na siya. Ayan. Paparating na. Paparating na siya. Yes. Ang ganda po ng sunset. Hindi pa nga maganda yan kasi may ano. Ayan. He's coming. Tapos, at the same time, tina-transfer niya yung soybean sa grain cart. At the same time, nagko-combine siya. Yan po ang kainaman ng grain cart. Okay guys, malapit na siya at ako'y i-off ko na po ito.